Hello, darlings. I am Cassandra. Welcome to my channel, Authentic Beauty Handmade Dolls and Crafts. In this video, I am going to go over the metaphysical properties of Sodalite, which is also known as the stone of communication, truth, logic, and inner peace. In this video, I'm going to go over Sodalite. Let me see, can I get a nice picture? Oh, they call this the stone of communication, the poet's stone, the writer's stone, the communication stone. Oh, that's a beauty. That's a really nice picture here. I'm going to turn it a little bit. Now, this is a sphere. Here is another Sodalite. This is a really, oh, you would never catch me without this gemstone in my classroom. I love this. It's actually responsible for creativity and self-expression. The metaphysical properties of Sodalite is that it enhances logic, inner peace, and truth. And one of it's called the communication stone. Well, personally, I'll tell you, they call it the stone of truth and communication, and that when you communicate with other people, you are more likely to let them speak their piece, give them the benefit of the doubt. It also facilitates like positive thinking. So as opposed to you being a person who's like super negative, you will see the bright side. You may not agree with that person, but you will actually give them an opportunity to speak their truth and be able to listen to their truth. So that's one of the things I really love about this stone, especially as a teacher. I feel like the classroom is all about truth. Somebody speaking their truth from their background, from their culture, and it may not be what we're used to or what we want to hear, but I don't feel like they can grow, and we can't grow either if people aren't telling the truth. And even as a teacher, I just want to always remain in a place of neutrality and peace, so that other people feel comfortable around me expressing their truth. It's also known to reduce your blood pressure. It's also known to, like, if you meditate with this stone, people say that it helps you to interpret the spiritual messages that you receive in a more accurate fashion, because it reduces your emotions so that you're more calmer and you're more logical, so that you can see things clearer. It also facilitates clairvoyance, that if a person has psychic abilities, this stone actually enhances that ability. Now, one of the things that I personally do not like about myself, and I'm being honest, I hate that I'm holding this stone because I'm being way too honest, is that I feel like I have psychic abilities to a certain degree, but I try to turn that part of myself off. I practice Feng Shui. Like, I don't want to know. Like, I'm not a person who wants to know what I don't need to know. And some of the things that I feel that the information flows through me, I just wish that it did, because I don't want to know. You know what I'm saying? So it actually enhances clairvoyance. Oh, and so here are some of the metaphysical properties for health. They say that it actually reduces blood pressure, like I said before. It heals throat ailments. Oh, I love it right here on my throat. And then it's also good for your third eye as well. And your third eye is responsible for facilitating your imagination. So sometimes when I'm writing, or if I'm working on creating something, this is like my go-to stone. It just seems to suit my personality. So some other healing properties is that it improves your immune system. Some people say that it reduces insomnia, reduces anxiety, encourages emotional balance, heals emotions connected to guilt and phobias. Now, these are just some metaphysical properties. If you need to go see a doctor, please go see a doctor. I'm not telling people to go and get a Sodalite to, heal a phobia, okay, or if you need help. But basically, here are some metaphysical properties that some people say work for them. And another property of the Sodalite is that it is said to enhance self-esteem, self-acceptance, and our own truth, and discernment, like trusting our own thoughts and our own beliefs, our own insights, so that we can make better decisions. So if you are a writer or a poet or an artist or a speaker, a teacher, or you need to communicate, this is a beautiful stone. This is the perfect stone to carry with you and hold. And again, I always say, when you select a stone that speaks to you. Like, don't just get a stone because it was, on sale. Get a stone that when you purchase a stone that really, I don't know, because I feel like it's a two-way relationship. So you want to make sure that you love it, so that that love will be reciprocated. If you practice Feng Shui, this Sodalite actually resonates with the career area in your home, which is in the northern area, which I'm going to go over Feng Shui in another video. But this it aligns with the water element. But this is, yeah. And for me, it would really work in that area because water doesn't seem to work for me when I'm trying to manifest. Remember, be careful of what you ask for, because you just might get it. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.